Haley. Yeah. My last name is Mao. And my first name is Haley. So it's
Thank you po.
준비가 끝났습니다. 안전운전하세요. 전방에 신호 위반 단속 카메라가 있습니다. 좌회전입니다.
excuse me.
Yes po.
We're going here, right? Here?
Yes.
We don't have to go inside.
Just outside.
Yes.
yeah. 그런데 저는 한국 사람입니다.
I'm sorry, I don't understand. I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Yeah. Korean.
Yeah.
You don't know speak Korean?
100m 앞에서
No?
직진하세요.
Isn't it hard to communicate with like passengers?
If you don't speak English, it's very hard. But before when I start here driving, very hard for me. But now yeah, 괜찮아.
It's better.
Yeah, better. First time encounter Korean driver. First time encounter.
Yes, first encounter.
So cool.
직진하세요.
Yeah. But the problem here, there are so many cars here in the
Yes.
Philippines. Traffic everywhere. 학생이에요, student? Student?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where you study?
We actually graduated in Baguio City.
Oh,
Yeah, and we're here for our review
For
for
board
mechanical
exams.
engineering board exam.
oh. Yeah, good luck.
Thank you.
Yeah. So your province is Baguio? You
Yeah,
live
yes,
there?
yes. We just came here for like 1 week ago.
1 week ago.
Yeah.
Oh. But problem here, Tagalog. A little Tagalog. Yeah. Every passenger, I'm gonna ask them how to teach me Tagalog.
Tagalog. Do you know sakay? Yeah,
What
ride.
is sakay?
It means ride.
Means ride.
Ride. Oh,
Yes.
sakay. You sakay.
Yes.
Yes. You're like telling right here.
오,
Sakay.
감사합니다.
Yes.
Sakay, ride.
sakay.
Sakay means ride.
Mainit means hot.
mainit.
Yes.
Oh. Ano salamat po.
Yes. Means thank you. So what's your Korean name? What's your Korean name?
Just call me Mr. Mao.
Mr. Mao.
Yeah, Mr. Mao. That's my last name. My first name is Haley.
Hale.
Yeah. So it's Haley. Yeah. My last name is Mao. And my first name is Haley. So it's my first name is Haley. So it's
Haley mo? Haley?
yeah, Haley.
Haley? Then your last name is Mao?
Yeah.
Haley mo? Haley mo? Haley mo?
Yeah.
Do you know what that means in Filipino?
What is the name?
It means monster.
Oh,
Are you?
really?
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, it means monster. Yeah, monster.
Yeah, but just Mr. Mao. Yeah, it's okay. 괜찮아요. Yeah, Mr. Mao. That's my Korean name, and I have a Philippine name.
Yeah.
Mm,
can see it
yeah,
here.
my Philippine government give that name to me to use here in the Philippines.
How many years have you been staying here?
3 years here.
Really?
Yeah, 3 years here.
Wow. Why are you here in
Hmm?
Why are you here in the Philippines?
Wait. What does thank you mean again?
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Yeah, 감사합니다.
Why did you go here to the Philippines?
My planning here is to have a business here. Mm. That's why I do driving here to look around
Yeah.
places for my business.
Oh.
Mm.
So while you're driving, you're like doing
Yeah,
two
yeah.
things at a
Looking
time.
around here. But I saw Makati very expensive there.
Yeah, it really
PGC
is.
expensive
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Mm.
Yes.
I think here is not so much, but
Yeah, but it's not really an ideal. I don't know.
mm,
What business are you planning to put?
like samgyup, you know?
Samgyup?
Yeah.
Mm.
Restaurant. 이름 뭐요? 그런데 이름 뭐요? What is your name?
I'm JC.
JC?
Yes.
Yeah, and
I'm Ju.
Ju.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to
Yeah,
meet you.
반갑습니다.
반갑습니다.
Mr.
Mr. Mao.
Yeah, that's my
Last name.
my first name is
Ali.
my first name is
Ali.
and it's a Ale.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a
It really
Only-
means monster in
Really means
Tagalog.
monster.
Really?
Really? I
Yeah.
don't know.
It's
It really
it's just pronounced Halimao.
Yeah.
Oh,
Like it's more like of an IE, like that. Halimaw.
mm. Maybe Mr. Mao, just Mr. Mao. Yeah.
Yeah,
No
Mr.
Hale,
Mao.
no Hale. You friend?
You were partners.
You
were yeah.
you were
yeah.
illegal or legal?
We're legal.
Legal. So your parents, you know about that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Very good.
They know about us
Yeah.
staying together here in Manila.
You love each other?
Yes,
Yes,
of
we do.
course.
Very good. How long you been?
3 years.
2-3 years. Oh. Same school, same
Yeah,
school,
same school, same course.
same course. Oh. I think we're near, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think there.
We're supposed to go right.
Yeah, to right. Go inside, to left.
No,
Go inside.
You
No,
can
no.
Just
Just right side.
Here right side.
yeah. We can,
Okay, we can.
No need to go inside.
No.
No.
It's okay. We're okay here.
Yes.
This is okay. We can stop here.
Hindi na tayo papasok doon. Hindi na tayo papasok doon.
Sabi ko na nga, mano eh.
Dito na lang sa labas.
Ang galing nyo! Oy! Ala!
Kulot ako!
Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Nagtataka ako, bakit gano'n yun
The
eh?
greatest prankster!
Tapos sinabi niya,
May
binigay daw ng
camera po ba
government.
to?
Pwede pala yun?
Ayun ang camera natin, no?
Ay!
Ayun ang camera natin, no?
Ay! Ayaw po.
So, ibig sabihin, napanood nyo na yung mga vlogs ko?
Hindi po.
Ano?
Hindi po
Ay, hindi?
nakita.
Ay, paano nyo nalaman na, ano,
Wala, kutob lang po.
kutob lang na vlog pala?
Sabi na siya
Kutob lang po
kanina. Sabi niyo,
Mm.
ganun siya.
Akala ko shy type lang po kayo, nakapost kayo, kaya
Pero
Yeah.
galing niyo po mag-Korean.
ang galing niyo po.
Ay, ganun. Thank you, ha. Yeah, kamsahamnida. Actually, I'm a content creator.
Okay.
Oo.
Ano po name niyo? Wait,
Yan, ito bibigyan ko yung sticker. May sticker na ako eh. So, ibig sabihin, hindi nyo pa talaga ako kilala.
Hindi pa po.
Ah, okay.
May napadaan
Pero
sa
bakit
akin.
parang nagtataka na kayo kaya na parang...
Siya!
ako po yung
Siya po yung
nagtataka.
nagtataka.
Kasi, doon sa halibo. Sabi ko sa iyo eh.
Ang mo naman.
Ito.
Salamat po.
Yan.
Ayan.
Bisa kayo, ha.
Paano po?
So, it's a...
Prank. Ano ba
Sorry,
yan?
I'm still in shock.
Nagugulat pa rin po kasi kami. Ngayon lang po kasi kami naka-experience.
Okay lang ba i-upload natin sa aking Facebook?
Ay,
YouTube?
okay lang po.
Okay lang?
Okay lang.
So, ayan, baka meron kayong pahabol na shoutout, no?
Ay,
Mga kaibigan, mga kamag-anak, yan, sa Baguio.
Tapos sa friends namin sa mechanical engineering ng St.
Yan.
Louis University.
yes
Uy,
po.
mag-aral kayong mabuti, ha?
Opo.
Dito.
Maraming
Yan.
salamat po.
Thank you po.
Grabe. Thank you po sa experience.
Oo. Wait lang, nakakas kayo, no?
Opo.
It's a free ride.
Hala!
Sir, weekend
No,
po. Hindi
no,
po.
it's a free ride.
Hindi po, paano?
Nagbablog lang talaga ako, nagko-content na ako.
Alam mo ano nakakahiya. Hindi
Huwag
po.
kayong maya sa akin. Kaya yan.
Sigurado kayo,
Yeah, it's a
ano?
free ride. Lahat ng
Hello.
mga pag nakakas na mga pasahero ko, nililibre ko talaga ng pamasahe.
Hello.
Yeah, it's a prank!
Thank you po.
Thank you po
Maraming
na
salamat
marami. It
po.
was a fun ride.
Yeah.
Very fun po.
Very fun
Bye-bye!
Ingat po kayo.
Yeah, kamsahamnida! Kamsahamnida!
Toto ako.
Sobrang uto-uto! Thank you po!
Bye-bye!
Bye po! Ingat po!
So, it's Don Verdes TV, the Korean prankster and the great pretender. Nakakala ko, napanood nila yung vlogs ko pero hindi pa pala. Na palaging nagsasabing, I'm not the greatest prankster, but still, I'm the great pretender. Let's go! Woo!